Hello friends, happy to see you again. Right now we're gonna review the some bread and some cake, and this is a Mango Creme Brulee, right? So from the name is mango, so for sure it's rich of mango flavor, right? As you can see, this one between the layer they put the cream, right? And this is mango, all right, mango, and this is the cake, and I think they put some of the mango fruit here. This one,
I think this is jelly.
Jelly? No.
Or maybe lychee.
No, this is mango, no lychee. Mango, alright? So, Mango Creme Brulee. Alright, we're gonna try this one. Let's go. Alright. Vania gonna try it. How is it?
Soft.
Soft?
The one in like the middle, like I think like this part is not like mango, it's like already like jelly.
Right, try this one. Raspberry. This is raspberry. I see. You can feel the cream. How's the strawberry? Sour? The raspberry is sour, sweet.
No, it's sour for me because I don't always eat raspberry.
Oh.
But it is good.
It's good. Okay, one more, friend. This one. Now it's my turn. Alright. Wow. I can feel everything. The cream, the mango, and the cake. Wow. They're really smart to create this cake. They're really creative to make this cake. Right, we're gonna eat the raspberry first. All right. The raspberry is a little sour and little sweet, so it's good, perfect. All right. Right, now we're gonna review this one. This is they call this one mango delight. Looks like a pudding or jelly, but we're gonna try. All right, for sure. What is it? Okay. Oh wow! Take a look, friends. Look. See that? Inside is they put a lot of cream.
Look like an ice cream.
Yeah. See? All right, we're gonna try. Vania gonna try first. Yeah. It's good. Tastes like a pudding. Something like pudding, right?
Not pudding, jelly and
Jelly, right?
jelly and mango fruit. mochi at the same time.
Oh, jelly and mango mochi. I think this is like a mochi, right? Mango mochi. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna try, friends. Yeah, they smart. Outside they cover with mango. Not sure. This is mango jelly or mango mochi, something like that, right? They cover with the mango mochi, and then inside they put a lot of cream, right? So they only fill up with the cream. For sure, the cream is with the mango flavor, right? Okay, I'm gonna try it, okay, friends? Alright. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Wow. I can feel it, the mango fruit. I can feel it, the mango flavor, the mango fruit. And then what is it in the bottom?
I think that's cake.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, in the bottom is a cake, friend.
Or bread.
Yeah, no, this is a cake. So they're smart. They put the cake in the bottom, and then after that they fill up with the cream, the mango cream, and then they cover with the mango fruit. They make it like a jelly or whatever, like mochi or pudding, right? But this is really you can feel it. You can feel it, the mango fruit flavor, right? See, I'm gonna try the cake, right? Okay. Now, finally I'm gonna try the cake. So, the cake. That's good. Five delicious 80 coffee, 80 Dick bakery. They have coffee style. They have their own they have their own flavor type, and then the next we're gonna review this one, Mango Custard Bun. Right? Okay. This is like a sugar, powdered sugar, the top. Right? For sure, the flavor is a mango flavor because the name is Mango Custard. Mango Custard Bun, right? Right. I'm gonna cut, okay? So we can see what is inside. Oh wow! See, friends? See what is inside? This is a mango fruit. Mango fruit. They smash it, and then they put inside. They put inside as a cream. You see this one?
It's almost like brioche.
Yeah, you see this one, friends? It's rich of mango fruit. Something like they smash it like a mashed potato, so we can call this one a mashed mango fruit. Mashed mango fruit, yeah. See? we're gonna try, okay? So they put the mashed mango inside the bread, and then they pour it with powdered sugar. All right, we're gonna try. How is it? You can feel it, the mango fruit? Yes? The bread is what? Soft?
Yeah, the bread is soft, not dry or hard.
It's not hard, right? The bread.
Not hard, and it's not dry.
It's a good texture, right? All right, this is the mashed mango. We're gonna try it. Okay, now it's my turn. I'm gonna try. Yeah, this is the bread, and I'm gonna take some. Mashed mango. All right. The bread, the bun is very good, very good. Wow, perfect. Not too hard, not too soft. So when you chew, you can feel the taste of the taste of the bread, the milk inside the bread, and you can feel this one mashed mango. Right? You can feel it. Wow. Try this one, friends, right? Mango Custard Bun. Right? Okay. Now we're gonna review this one. This one, they name it Ube. I think they pronounce it Ube. Ube Bread. Alright, Ube Bread. Okay, we're gonna try, okay? Yeah. We're gonna check what is inside. Right? I'm gonna cut it. We want to know, is there anything inside or no? Oh, yes.
I think that's
Oh, this is a ube. The purple color is a ube, friends. Alright? So it's no cream. So ube, they smash it like a mashed potato, and then they put inside. They fill with the ube. See this one? They put a lot of ube. Right? You can see? Alright, it's very clear, right? See? They put a lot of ube inside. Right? Okay, we're gonna try, okay? Big bite, open big, yeah. How it tastes? You can feel the ube or not? Yes? It's very sweet. The ube is very sweet or not? No? Good? The bread is easy to chew. Alright. Okay, now it's my turn. Right? Okay, friends. See? I'm gonna try, okay? Ube bread. Wow. They're really smart to make to create their own style, to create their own flavor. They're really smart, right? And we want to recommend this one too, Ube Bread. Okay. So when you come here, you can try the one that we review today. You can try. For sure, you will be happy. Alright? And the price is a good price too. Right? Now, the last one, we're gonna review this one. Strawberry Matcha Latte. Right? I'm gonna put together because in the bottom they put the strawberry and milk, and at the top they put the matcha latte. Right? I need to mix it up first. And you see this one? They put some pieces of the strawberry fruit. Right? They put strawberry fruit. You can know from the name. The name is strawberry matcha latte, so that's why they put the strawberry fruit. Alright? See this one? Okay? Alright, I'm gonna try. Wow. This is a perfect matching. The sweetness of the matcha latte and the sweetness of the strawberry and the milk, perfect. Alright? So when you come here and then you're not sure what drink that you should take, we want to recommend this flavor. Alright? We want to recommend strawberry matcha latte. Right? Now, Vania gonna try. Again. How's the sweetness? Tell your friend. How's the combination? Good combination?
Yeah, it's a good combination. And there's like no problems with this drink. It tastes really good.
Tastes good? Okay. Alright friends, we're gonna continue all our cake and the bread, and we're gonna continue our drink. Alright? Thank you for always watching our channel, and thank you for always blessing our channel.